Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can post in a group. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply you need to open your account, and after opening the account, you need to go to the group section, and after going to the group section, as you can see, share something with one of your groups. Now you have to write here that in which group you want to share. What we have to do, simply we have to write the post here, and then simply we have to make it correct. And as you can see, now we have to select the group that in which group you want to add. Currently I don't have. Let's make this, and now let's make it clear as well. So as you can see, now here we have to choose the group that in which group you want to add. For example, I am going to write as unit search. I don't have the groups right now, so I'm going, if you want to add a picture, photos, you can also add these things as well, these different types of things. And after selecting the group, you just need to click on the post, and that post will be sent to that group. So in this way you can post any kind of post in your group. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.